Today you're going to be setting up your EduTyping account and you're going to be logging into Everfi to see if you have Ignition lesson available to you. So let's start with EduTyping first. EduTyping is the typing program that we are going to be using. It is a website so you can access it from anywhere that has the internet. You need to make sure that you have a full keyboard. If you have a Chromebook, that's fine as well, to do these lessons. So let's go ahead and get started. On Google Classroom, if you go down to class material, you are going to see setting up and logging into your accounts. Once you click here, you're going to go ahead and click on this link where it says join a class. Once you click on that, it's going to take you to this screen here. You want to make sure that it says 6th grade, CSA 1, semester 1, elective 1, or it will say semester 1, elective 2 if you are in my elective 2 class. For your username, I would like you to use your last name first initial, such as my example here. So Salvador C. Once you have completed all of this, if it tells you that username is already in use, go back and you can add your middle initial or you can add a number. So select a password that you would like to use, and then you're going to put that password in again to make sure that you have typed in the same password. Please go ahead and write that down so you have it for you when you go to log in the next time. The email is optional, so you don't have to put that in, but you do have to select this box here where it says, I understand and I agree with a privacy policy and terms of service. This box we're going to go ahead and uncheck because we're not going to be using our email and we don't need to worry about getting any kind of updates. After you've done that, you're going to click sign up and you should be logged into EduTyping. For the future, when you go to log into EduTyping, you're going to go to EduTyping.com. When you're here, you're going to click on student login. When you get to student login, you can save this as a bookmark. So mine has a star here and you can click that and it will save it as a bookmark. But for student login for account ID, this is not the same as your username. You're going to type WCPS. Even though we are Wake County Public School Systems, it only accepts one S. So you're going to click next. Or you can hit enter. Here you're going to put in your username. So I'm going to put Salvador C, and then you would hit enter or you're going to select next. Because I don't have an account, it's not going to let me go to the next screen, but the next screen you're going to go ahead and hit type in your password, and then you're going to log in. You will have a series of different accounts that you can go into, but for today, that's all we're going to do. The next thing I want you to look at is on your Wake ID account, you're going to look for this screen here where it says Everfi. You're going to click on that, and what you should see is a course available to you that is called Ignition. Go ahead and click on it to make sure that you can log in. Once you have clicked on it, you should be able to see the course. So if it's your first time logging in, it's going to give an introduction and it's going to tell you to pick an icon, and so you can pick one of those. We're not going to start these lessons for the first couple of weeks because we're going to go over lessons on typing, but we have these series of different lessons that we'll be doing. So there's connections and community, there is safety and privacy, there is screen time versus offline time, technology and data, rights and literacy, and then the final one is evaluating content. So we will be covering all 6 of these lessons. If you are not able to access Ignition, please send me an email and let me know as soon as possible so we can get that corrected. If you have any problems at all with getting registered for EduTyping or anything else, please let me know.